Is your garden struggling with crazy weather swings? Whether it's scorching heat, endless drought, or flash floods, today I'll show you the best plants that can handle it all, no matter where you live. But first, hey, hit that subscribe button if you want more real, no-fluff gardening tips for a resilient and thriving garden all year round. When water is scarce and temperatures soar, some plants still thrive. These drought-tolerant champs have deep roots, waxy leaves, or specialized storage systems to survive. Lavender or lavandula species is native to the Mediterranean. It thrives in full sun, poor soil, and requires minimal water once established. And as a bonus, it attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies. Agave, also known as Agave americana, is an iconic desert plant with thick, fleshy leaves that store water. It needs very little water and is highly heat tolerant. Plus, it adds dramatic structure to landscapes. Yarrow, also known as Achillea millefolium, is a perennial herb that's seriously drought-hardy. Its deep roots reach down to tap into moisture below the surface, even when the topsoil is bone dry. And as a bonus, it blooms all summer long and supports loads of beneficial insects. You know, heat waves are getting more intense every year, but these plants just won't bat an eye. They're truly designed by nature to survive extreme heat, making them a smart choice for any resilient garden. Coneflower, or Echinacea purpurea, is native to North America and absolutely thrives in high heat and full sun. And here's a bonus. It's not just beautiful, it actually helps boost biodiversity in your garden too. Lantana or Lantana chimera is a real survivor. It absolutely loves heat and humidity, and honestly, it just keeps blooming from spring all the way to frost. You'll often find it thriving in urban heat islands, simply because of its incredible toughness. Next up is blanket flower, also known as Gaillardia pulchella. This native wildflower just laughs at heat and poor soils. It blooms like crazy, showing off reds and yellows even during those sweltering summer days. Plus, it's super pollinator friendly and keeps blooming for a long time. Too much rain? Well, no problem. Some plants are actually naturally suited for wet or even flooded soils, making them perfect for those really soggy spots in your garden. Swamp milkweed or Asclepias incarnata is native to wetlands right here in North America. It's amazing how this plant tolerates saturated soil and even seasonal flooding. And you know, it's absolutely vital for monarch butterflies. Next up is the bald cypress or Taxodium disticum. This is a deciduous conifer that actually grows right in standing water. Its unique knees help the tree breathe, especially in swampy areas. It's just perfect for rain gardens or any flood-prone spaces you might have. Coming in at number 3, we've got the Siberian iris, or Iris sibirica. This beautiful perennial is totally fine with wet feet and really thrives in boggy soils, but it's also adaptable enough for drier spots too. Plus, it adds such vibrant color to your garden during the rainy season. Here's a quick bonus tip for you. Mix these plants together to create a climate-resilient garden that can handle, honestly, any weather. So, there you have it. Drought warriors, heat champions, and flood survivors, all in one lineup. What extreme weather challenges your garden the most? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to know. And if this helped you out, why not give this video a thumbs up? Or better yet, share it with a friend whose garden needs a weatherproof upgrade. Subscribe for more garden smart tips. Your plants will thank you.